All right, guys, Juan Chavez here with JMC Equipment, SEMA 2025 BendPak booth. I'm here with Dave Shetlock. We're going to talk about this two-post lift, the 10AP. Dave, take it away.
Thanks, Juan. Let me show you. I'm going to make a bold statement here, folks. I believe that BendPak is building the safest two-post in the industry, and here's why. We would agree that a 10,000-pound two-post can hold, the four lift arms can hold 2,500 pounds. Well, that's false. To get our lift ALI certified, the lift has to hold 15,000 pounds. So the arms are capable of holding 3,750 pounds each. But if I ask you, how much restraint, lateral restraint is built into that arm to keep it from flailing out of the way, dropping a vehicle, and potentially harming someone? What might you guess? The other companies tell us about 150 to 250 pounds of restraint is all that's keeping you from flailing and dropping that vehicle. Look what we did. We patented a 360-degree locking gear mechanism. No more pull pin with two half gears that bump into each other once in a while. It's weak, they wear out. This is a fully encapsulated, every one of the teeth is engaged every time. How strong is it, Dave? We took our forklift and we extended the arm. Folks, we pulled to 3,000 pounds and couldn't snap the arm off our lift. It's a mic drop moment. We are bringing the safest lift to the industry. The other thing we did, and this is important for the taller techs out there, if you're 6 foot or taller, you are working every day of your life in about this kind of position. Every day, 5 days a week. So you want to buy our 10APX or our 10APX 181. The advantage, the arms rise to 75 inches. I'm 6'1½". The arms rise above my head. We can put some stackable adapters on it. This 4-inch screw pad and a 6'7" or 6'8" tech can work comfortably under their safe new BendPak. We have the stackable adapters, our truck cradles. We've got wide frame for those newer trucks with the wide frame cradles. It's just the most versatile lift. We used to have 16 models. We used to have an asymmetric and a symmetric. We created a biometric arm configuration. We get the arm to retract out the back of the tube to just 22 inches. So this will tuck neatly under a lowered Corvette or BMW, and it's long enough to put the truck, van, or SUV on it and work in a symmetrical fashion. So it's a biometric arm configuration, allows you to work in asymmetric or symmetric loading of vehicles.